Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Irvine, Alberta, a small prairie town with big character right along the Trans-Canada Highway. This quiet community was named after James Irvine, a well-known businessman and politician from Eastern Canada. Irvine got its start in the early 1900s, growing as a stop along the Canadian Pacific Railway. It became a hub for ranchers, farmers, and travelers heading west. Today, it's known for its western charm and friendly atmosphere. The local Pioneer Museum offers a glimpse into life on the prairies over a century ago. Grain elevators and open fields remind you that this is true Alberta farm country. With big skies and wide roads, it's a peaceful place to take a break from the highway. Whether you're stopping in for a rest or a look around, Irvine is happy to have you. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Irvine, Alberta. Thanks for watching.